My friend kindly shared with me her family recipe for gooey butter cake many years ago, and let me tell you, it beats all other recipes you'll find. This cake is like a cross between blondies, cheesecake, and candy, and bears little resemblance to the original St. Louis butter cake, which is a yeasted cake. I would say this cheat version is more popular than the original these days because it is much less work and tastes incredible. Most recipes will tell you to just mix cake mix with butter and egg, but let's make it better by adding 2 cups of powdered sugar to the base, along with butter, and not 1 but 2 eggs. Mix till no dry streaks remain. Press it into a greased and floured 9 by 13 inch pan, making sure it's spread evenly. For the topping, mix together 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, with 1 pound of powdered sugar and 2 eggs. Mix well. Pour the topping over the base and smooth it out. Bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 35 to 45 minutes. The edges should be brown, but there should be a slight jiggle in the middle. Do not overbake. Cool at room temp for 2 hours before slicing. For a firmer filling, refrigerate for a few hours after cooling to room temp. Enjoy!